What's going on, NASCAR fans, NASCAR diecast fans? I'm back with another video. Here I have a mystery box. Gonna open it and see what is inside. Had this now for a couple, at least a month. Maybe a little bit longer. I know it's a big box or something small. Receipt. Here it is, the number 48. Alex Bowman. Diecast here. Very nice diecast. I've been wanting this car for a while now. I finally got it. Well, I've had it, but I just never did a review on it. I'm trying to close my knife. Okay, I got it. Never done a review on it in a while, so review. So there it is. Alex Bowman's 48. Whoa, that's bright. Lighting's somewhat messed up. Here it is, the Alex Bowman 2021 Ally. Camaro. Hendrick Motorsports. Chevy Camaro ZL1. I believe this is a ZL1. These are really hard to get out of the box. And here it is. On it. Oops. Hey. Okay. Don't really like the lighting in here. It sucks. I don't know what this thing is doing. Alright, maybe I fixed it. Here's the hood, Ally. I really like that. That's like a turquoise color. The front end Chevy logo. 48. Hendrick Motorsports. I really don't know what's going on with this camera. There we go. NASCAR Cup Series. NASCAR race car. No. Okay, there we go. Just some paint, looked like. Some design going on over here. There's the roof of the 48. Do It Right, Microsoft, HendrickCars.com, which is also a sponsor for Kyle Larson. He drives at HendrickCars.com. Do It Right, Ally, Exalta, Cincinnati, Mac Tools, I believe, and some other small sponsors. Ally, the American Ethanol logo. More cool, sharp design going on down here. I really like his car he's racing this season. Last season, Bowman had a really nice, sharp looking car. On the back, you got Valvoline rear view camera right there. Chevy Ally Camaro ZL1. 48, got tail lights. Bowman on the back windshield. Oh crap. Ally. And of course, a paint chip on the... How do you get a paint chip on the windshield? I know, please tell me how you get a dang paint chip on the windshield. The roof, it says Ally. Do it right. On this side, Valvoline Ally. Ally, do it right. Some more paint bubbles, that's wonderful. Oh, still a nice car. I really like this Alex Bowman car. One of my favorites for Bowman. Ally, do it right. Microsoft Hendrick.coms. HendrickCars.com. A gash going through the 4. That's wonderful. 8. 8 is fine. Here's the front. It might be a little bit crooked. I don't think it is though. Very nice. Very, very nice diecast. I like the purple. I really like this car. One of my favorite schemes for Bowman. I miss Jimmy being in the 48, but heck, this is one cool car. Probably prefer this 48 over the Jimmy Johnson Ally cars. This Ally car is a lot better than Johnson's was back in 2020, in my opinion. This is definitely one of the better looking Bowman cars. I got another Bowman car I need to review on as well as some Jimmy Johnson 48 cars. Trust me, I got so many cars I need to do reviews on. This one's really cool. And the only downside is the windshield is just, windshield's okay. Go back to this side again. I don't understand lighting. NASCAR Cup Series, NASCAR race car. I don't know what's going on with the lighting. Just being dumb. But overall, this is a cool diecast. One of my favorites for Bowman. Really glad I got it. This might be a rare car to get in the future. Unless if you get the 4-car Hendrick Motorsport Dover sweep, which is top 4 drivers were Hendrick, who finished 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's about $40-ish for 4 cars. 40 for 4. That's really how much this car was. It was give you the exact price on the receipt. This was about, this was $11. Yeah, this was $11 for this 164. I mean, it's about that for all cars. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'll be back with more NASCAR diecast videos, more NASCAR diecast reviews. Just stay tuned, and those should be coming out here shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be back with more NASCAR videos.